Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Your Makeup. In today's video, I'm going to use Maybelline Dream Matte Mousse Carmel Dark 2 Foundation. It looks like this. This is what it looks like. I have not tried it yet. I am going to try it today to see what it looks like. I don't know if they still sell those, but I'm taking the flat foundation brush and I'm going to put it on my face. This is what it looks like. Let us see if it's going to be a match, a good match. I did not use any primer. I have my skincare on already, my serum, my moisturizer. So I didn't want to put any primer because I want to make sure that I'm not too greasy. It has a very, very faint smell. I don't know if they still sell those, so check your stores and see if they are still selling Mousse foundation. I came across it at a pharmacy, so I bought it. This looks like light coverage. You can build it up. It looks like you can build it up. I did not use a lot. It spreads very nice, evenly. This is what my face looks like before I use a sponge. I'm going to use a sponge. I'm just dabbing it in place. I'm not spreading it. I'm just going over it with the sponge, just like this. Keeping it in place. I'm not dragging like this. I did not do my eyes. Only did everything else. This is what it looks like after I'm done with the sponge. Very nice. Wow, I am liking it. This is what the sponge looks like. This looks nice, very nice. I'm going to use the Super Stay Maybelline 355 Press Foundation Powder as my setting powder. I'm using this Eco Tool brush and I'll use this powder right here. I'm just stamping it in there and then I'll stamp it on my face just to set my foundation, because liquid and creams, you need to set it. Although this mousse looks like it dried down as a powder, I'm still setting it. These two go together really nice. I am loving the finish. That is a beautiful finish. This is cute. Wow. I love this. It feels like nothing. I mean, it feels like nothing on my skin. I know I just put it on. I have not had the wear test yet. I hope that I remember to take a picture later on because this makeup is going to be on all day. And it is the Maybelline Dream Matte Mousse Foundation. When I saw this reminded me of something Avon did years ago and I had loved it because it dries down as a powder. And that's why when I tried the Yummy Skin, I wanted to see if this does the same thing. It feels the same, it looks the same. It's not the same thing, but I mean, take a look. Beautiful. I'll be using this again. This is me with the Maybelline Mousse foundation. This is what my skin looks like out in light. I have no clue what it looks like yet until I edit, and then here I am in the shade. Again, I'm in the shade. I will do a comparison with this and the Yummy Skin in shade 8, and we will see the difference. OMG. This truly takes me back to the Avon Mousse foundation years ago. This. Beautiful. I don't know if they still make it, but if you come across it, try it. Try it. It is. Thank you all again for watching. I appreciate you all very much for stopping by. All my new subscribers, thank you for coming on board. All my old-time subscribers who are still hanging with me, I appreciate you also very much. And I want to say, remember, today you are more powerful than you think. You are more powerful than you think. I will see you in the next video. And until then, be fabulous. Bye. Mousse foundation, I am loving it.